Welcome to No Inches DIY. Here I am giving these pipes a sand up. I cut them all earlier in the earlier video. I did just tune the outside of the pipes up with my Azito belt sander. Now I'm just giving them a prime, and I had earlier sanded them on the inside just with some sandpaper. Now it's just a matter of jamming them all in the appropriate holes and putting some blue glue on both sides before, obviously. So because I'd given it a test fit up and everything fitted perfectly, it was just a matter of jamming them all in. And as you can see in my videos, I do a lot of walking backwards and forwards, especially to find tools that I've misplaced. Got to get more professional. I need some kind of table where I can lay everything out. So I did the top horizontal there with a T in the middle. It was a bit of a mission to force that one in. Now I've got my bottom horizontal. It's got 4 pieces, 2 taps and a T. So I've glued those up, make sure I've got everything pointing the right way. The day I did that was a very hot day, so apologies for the plumber's crack action version 2. So you can see on this one, because the pipes are shorter and there's more glue, I have to really work to get this one in. It was a real mission, the angle I start on there. But with a bit of persistence, it went in. And this was the simplest of the lot. So you glue on both sides, both ends. And then straight in. Now one problem I've got with this is because everything's twisted up tight and then the opposite end is glued, if I ever need to move any of these tanks, I'll have to sacrifice some of these pipes. So those torn red undies came in handy for priming up all the pipes. Now I'm just going to climb up on top, put the hose in it, see all the pipes flow, check there's no leaks. And because that blue glue dries pretty quick, I was only maybe a couple of minutes after I glued the last piece until the time I was checking it.